One of the key words here is integer. Remember, integers are positive and negative whole numbers. So let's look at clue 1. X times y equals 1. Well, how? Now, both of these are going to be integers. So it's not like you can do 1/6 times 6. That gives you 1, but 1/6 is not an integer. What's the only way you could multiply two things together, two integers, and get a 1? Well, that would have to be 1 times 1 is 1, or -1 times -1 is 1. But I don't know, x could either be 1 or -1. I don't know which one, so clue 1 does not work. Clue 2, forget about clue 1. Clue 2, x cannot be -1. Well, it could be anything else. That doesn't help me. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -2, 3. You know what I'm saying? That doesn't help. So let's put both of them together now. X cannot be -1, and we know that x times y equals 1. So that means you have to be in the case 1 times 1 equals 1, where x takes on a value of 1. So the answer is C.